Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss about the fee structure as well as the allowances provided to medical cadets in Armed Forces Medical College Pune. But before starting my today's topic, if you are new to my channel then consider subscribing it because I make videos related to NEET, AFMC and MBBS. I have already made a complete playlist of 7 videos on AFMC selection process, so I will suggest you to watch them first. The links are given in description. So let's start our today's topic. Topics that I will cover in this video are college fee and deposits, allied charges, cadet mess charge, university fee, cadet insurance charge, and at last allowances for medical cadets. Now let's talk about our first topic, that is college fee and deposits. It includes admission fee, security deposit, barrack damage, cinema subscription, computer club, annual college magazine, students aid fund, maintenance of common facilities, swimming pool, medicine club, identity card, college records and documentation fee, and students handbook. Admission fee. It will be charged while AFMC admission. It is one-time fee and non-refundable. It was Rs 2,750 for year 2019. The next is security deposits. It will also be charged while AFMC admission. It is also one-time fee and is totally refundable. It was Rs 16,000 for year 2019. The next is for barrack damage. It will be charged during admission and per each term, that is every 6 months. It is non-refundable and it is of Rs 350. The next fee is for cinema subscription. It will also be charged during admission and per each term. It is non-refundable and it is of Rs 400. The next is computer club. It is basically a gaming club and a non-refundable amount of Rs 800 will be charged during admission and per each term for its maintenance. The next is for annual college magazine. A non-refundable amount of Rs 550 will be charged during admission and per each term for the annual college magazine, that is Dhanvantri. The next is Students Aid Fund. A non-refundable amount of Rs 300 will be charged during admission and per each term for Students Aid Fund. The next is for maintenance of common facilities. A non-refundable amount of Rs 1,000 will be charged during admission and per each term for the maintenance of common facilities. The next fee is for swimming pool facility. A non-refundable amount of Rs 300 will be charged during admission and per each term for the swimming pool facility. The next fee is for Medicine Club. It is basically a movies club in which cadets make movies on any social topic. A non-refundable amount of Rs 200 will be charged during admission and per each term for Medicine Club. The next fee is for identity card. All cadets are provided a college ID card and a non-refundable amount of Rs 600 will be charged during admission for this identity card. The next is college record and documentation fee. AFMC will keep all your records and documents which you will submit while admission along with some other verification documents and commissioning records, and a non-refundable amount of Rs 1100 will be charged during admission for this. The last is fees for Students Handbook. All cadets are provided a college handbook on admission and a non-refundable amount of Rs 600 will be charged during admission for this handbook. So a total of Rs 25,000 will have to be deposited for college fee and deposits at the time of admission. The next topic is allied charges. It will include college uniform charge, hostel linen and curtains charge, and bicycle charge. Now let's talk about college uniform charge. All cadets are provided with 4 sets of college uniform, 1 blazer, 2 sets of aprons, 1 set of PT uniform, 1 skyback school bag, 1 college belt, 1 college tie, 2 pairs of college socks, 2 nameplates, 2 pairs of AFMC tag, 1 pair of term tag, 1 pair of college shoes, 1 set of occasional dress, that is saris for girls and muftis for boys, Along with this, all cadets are provided with 2 additional set of aprons on white coat ceremony and 1 additional set of college uniform every year. A non-refundable amount of Rs 23,000 will be taken for this during admission. The next is hostel linen and curtains charge. All cadets are provided with a blanket, a mattress, bed covers, bed sheets, pillow with cover, tablecloth, hangers, curtains, bucket and mug. A non-refundable amount of Rs 11,500 will be taken for this during admission. The last is bicycle charge. AFMC doesn't allow any cadet to have a motored vehicle, that is car, bike, scooter or even electric scooter during the entire MBBS course. This rule is made for the safety of cadets from road traffic accident. Therefore, all cadets are provided with a bicycle for visiting the lecture hall or clinics in hospital. A non-refundable amount of Rs 8,000 will be taken for this during admission. So a total of Rs 42,500 will have to be deposited for allied charges at the time of AFMC admission. Our next topic is cadet mess charge. Mess facilities provided for all cadets for entire MBBS course. During the time of admission, small amount of charge is taken for this mess facility. It includes mess membership fee, which is a one-time and non-refundable amount of Rs 2,000, and mess deposit, which is the refundable amount of Rs 3,500. So a total of Rs 5,500 will have to be deposited for mess charge at the time of AFMC admission. The next topic is university fees. An amount of Rs 2,830 will be charged for your registration in MUHS, that is Maharashtra University of Health and Science, during the time of admission process. The next topic is cadet insurance charge. Army Group Insurance Fund, that is AGIF, under the AFMC Cadet Group Insurance Scheme will provide insurance benefit to all cadets of Indian nationality on a one-time non-refundable premium of Rs 7,200. The insurance cover will be for a period of 4.5 years only. Our last topic for today is allowances for medical cadets. Unlike any other medical college of India, in AFMC, all medical cadets are provided allowance for following things: book and equipment grant Rs 4,000 per year, uniform allowance Rs 6,000 one-time grant and Rs 1,250 per year, cash grant towards messing Rs 12 per day, hair cutting allowance Rs 140 per month, washing allowance Rs 560 per month during the term and Rs 210 during the term break. Grant in aid allowance Rs 1,800 initially at the time of entry in AFMC and Rs 900 per month. Monetary grant, club and extracurricular activities Rs 210 per month. Mess linen washing Rs 28 per month. Mess maintenance allowance Rs 25 per month. Stationery grant Rs 140 per month plus Rs 1,120 once in a year. Now, what is the mode of payment during AFMC admission? 3 separate demand drafts for the amount mentioned are required to be brought when reporting for admission. The demand draft should be drawn in favor of Dean AFMC Pune. Here is the table describing the demand drafts for AFMC admission fees. One should note that all these charges as well as allowances are with respect to year 2019. They are subject to change as per government notification issued from time to time. After admission, no other charge will be taken from medical cadets during the entire college term, except for the university registration fee, which will be charged every year, and other charges which I have mentioned in college fee and deposits. Further charges will be taken from cadets who become NSL, that is non-service liable, during their MBBS course, about which I will discuss in another video.